may DIY salad dressing. So, kung naubusan kayo ng salad dressing, pwede nyong gamitin ang Lady's Choice bacon spread or pwede na rin ng chicken spread. Yan. Tapos, lagyan nyo ng konting sesame oil. Mga 1 tablespoonful ng vinegar or 1 teaspoon. Two tablespoonful of brown sugar. Just mix together. Mix, mix, mix. So, magsasama-sama dyan yung tamis, asim ng ating salad dressing. And let's put our veggies, carrots, we have cabbage, carrots, and fried potatoes. So, just mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Medyo maliit yung ating lalagyan. So, pwede nyo bawasan muna yung veggies. Para, basta yun lang, pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung ating simple dressing. Fresh lang yung cabbage. Tapos, pinry ko ng konti yung potatoes and carrots. Okay, tapos, yung i-mix-mix yan, you sprinkle it with sesame seeds. We have our fresh vegetable salad. Anything goes with this salad. You can even add whole grain cereals to add a little more crunch. And whichever is healthy for you. You can either boil the potatoes and carrots or you can have it fried. Bye!